Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we will tell you about basic AutoCAD commands with their shortcut keys part 1. In this topic, we will share knowledge regarding draw tool palette from ribbon. It includes line, circle, polyline, arc, rectangle, ellipse and hatch. So class, let's get started today's topic. There is lot of explanation of how to use AutoCAD for beginners. But what I am explaining is the easiest way. I will show all the basic icons that you need to know including the shortcut keys. But take a note, you must know first the use of each icon before using the shortcut keys. AutoCAD is the drafting software used in almost all fields for basic drawing and drafting. In AutoCAD, to make a drawing is more easy and less time consuming. Some shortcuts are provided by function key also, but we will see later on. Once you become familiar with these shortcut keys, you will start enjoying even the basic drafting work. We will start from the 2D AutoCAD icon. Pay attention class. Keyboard shortcuts can make your work go much faster. Class, first we will see the draw tool palette from the ribbon. In the draw tool palette, first command is line command. The shortcut key for the line command is capital L. So in the line, you can create series of continuous line segment. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. That means you can edit it one by one. So class, first enter L from the keyboard, and then press enter. Now specify the first point. Always select 0 tab 0. That means it point creates from the UCS. Okay. Now specify the second point. Choose any point as per your requirement. See here, I will create the random line one by one. Now you can see here the line is selected one by one separately. That means you can edit it separately. Okay, see, the line is deleted separately. Now again 0 tab 0, you can create line. Class, here I am creating random lines for understanding how line command is work. Line command is a basic in any CAD software, or line command is easy to understand. Okay, now you always remember the capital L plus enter is a shortcut key for line. Okay, now class, refresh the workspace. Now second command is polyline. The shortcut key for polyline is PL. Okay, now here we can see from the draw tool palette, polyline creates a 2D polyline. A 2D polyline is a connected sequence of segments created as a single planar object. You can create straight line segments, arc segments, or a combination of two. In the combination of two, that means line segment plus arc segment. Okay, here we can see in the picture the single planar object. Okay, now we will see how polyline command is work. Okay, now first put PL or P line from keyboard, then here you can see the polyline command is open. Okay, then press enter. Okay, specify the first point, always choose 0 tab 0. Okay, now you can choose second point or next point. Here I am creating a rectangular shape by using the polyline. This is single planar object by using line segments. This is straight line. Now we creating arc segment. Now again put PLINE from keyboard and specify the points. Okay, right click on mouse and select arc, then choose the next points. Okay, here I am selecting random points. Okay, here you can see the arc segments by using polyline. Class next is combination of these line segment or arc segment. Okay, now we are creating combination of these two. Okay, again PLINE from keyboard, press enter, then create a line, straight line. Okay, now mouse click right, then select arc. Okay, again line, now you can choose arc from command bar. Okay, here we go, the combination of line segment and arc segment. Okay, first is line segment, second one is arc segment, and this is combination. Okay, now refresh the workspace for next command. Third command is circle. The shortcut key for the circle is capital C. We can create a circle using a center point and a radius. Okay, now first put from keyboard capital C, then press enter. Now specify the first point, always select 0 tab 0, that means UCS point. Okay, then put radius you want. Here I am putting 25 mm. Okay, this is the first type of circle. The second one is center diameter. Selected, then put the first point and then drag it and put diameter. Okay, now third one is 2-point circle. Click on it, then choose any 2 points for creating a circle. Here we go. Now creating 3-point circle as per image showing. The circle using 3 points on the circumference. Okay, click on it first, second and third. Fourth one is 10 radius. The create circle with a specified radius tangent to 10 objects. Here we go, select first circle, then create second one. Now specify the radius and click enter. Here we will see the circle is tangent to these both circles. Now creating 10. The create a circle tangent to 3 objects. Now we are creating a rectangular shape. Okay, now select 10. Now select these three lines from rectangle. Okay, here we creating a circle by using tan command. Now refresh the workspace for next command. The next command from the draw toolbar is ARC. Here lots of types of ARC. We will see one by one. First is 3-point arc. Class ARC is a shortcut key for arc. Okay, we are putting ARC from keyboard. Now press enter. Now specify the first point. Always choose 0, tab 0, then enter. Then choose second point and third point for 3-point arc. Okay. Okay class. The next arc type is start, center and end point. We can create an arc by using start point, center point and end point. In this type, arc is created in counterclockwise. Okay, now first we creating rectangular shape. Okay, now creating start point, center point or end point arc type. Now first start point, then select center point. Okay, center point. Now last is end point. Here we go. Okay, we create an arc by using start point, center point or end point. Now the next type is start, center or angle. Okay, creates an arc using the start point, center point and included angle. Here we see selected first point, then center point, then included angle. You can choose up to 360 degree. Okay, here I am creating 90 degree. Okay, you will see here the arc is created by using start point, center point or included angle. The angle is here 90 degree. Okay, clear it. Now next point is start, center or length. You can create arc using start point, center point and length of chord. First point, start point, then select center point, then select length. Okay, here you go. The arc is created by using start point, center point or length. Okay, now erase it. Next type is start point, end point and then angle point. You can create arc by using start point, end point and then include angle. Selected first start point, then end point, then included angle. You can choose the angle by drawing requirement. Okay, here I am creating 45 degree arc. Okay, the arc is created. And now erase it. Now next is start, end or direction. You can create arc by using start point, end point and a tangent direction. Okay, first start point, end point. Then you can choose any direction, left hand side direction, right hand side direction. Okay, that means tangent direction. Okay, arc is created. Now erase it. Now next type is start, end, radius. You can create the arc using start point, end point, and a radius. Okay, now first is start point, end point, and your radius. Okay, here I am putting 50 radius. Okay, the arc is created. Class, next type from arc is center, start, or end. It means create an arc using center point, start point, and end point. First, we select center point, then start point, and last is end point. Here we go. The arc is created. Now erase it. Now next is center, start, or angle. You can create arc by using center point, start point, or include angle. Select it. Now first center point, then start point, and then include angle. You can choose the angle as per your drawing requirements. Okay, the arc is now created. Okay, now erase it. Our next type is center, start, or length. That means you can create an arc by using center point, start point, or length of the chord. Okay, now select the type. Now first is center point, start point, or length. Okay, now arc is created by using center point, start point, or length of the chord. Now erase it. Now last type of the arc is continue. Right, you can create an arc tangent to the last line or an arc down. You need to specify only the end point of the arc. For better understanding, I am creating new line. Select line. Now creating a line. Enter. Now choose continue type arc. Okay, here we go. The arc is created from the end point of the line. This line is we are previously drawn. Okay, class. Next type is rectangle. Okay, choose the rectangle and specify the first point. Always choose 0 type 0. Then create an rectangle. Okay, here we create a rectangle by using rectangle command. Okay, command is polygon. For a polygon, we need to create an circle. Please C, enter, then specify point and create a circle. Now choose polygon from rectangle. Now specify the number of slides. Here I am putting 5. Now inscribe circle. This is the first type of polygon. It means the polygon is created inside circle. Okay, now again select polygon command or put POL from keyboard. POL is the shortcut of polygon. Okay, here we choose 5 number of sides. Now select center. Now select circumscribe about circle. It means create polygon about circumference of the circle. That means you can create an polygon outer side of the circle. Okay. Next is ellipse. You can create an ellipse by specifying the center point. First, ellipse. EL for ellipse. EL is the shortcut key for ellipse. Now specify end point. Okay. Here I am putting 0 tab 0, then end point. Okay, here you go, the ellipse is created. Second type of ellipse is axis and end. Okay, first axis end point 0 type 0, then select distance or axis. Now press enter. Here we go, axis or end point ellipse. Okay, next is elliptical arc. In elliptical arc, the first 2 points of the elliptical are determine the location and length of the axis. The third point determines the distance between the center of the elliptical arc and the end point of the second axis. The fourth and fifth points are the start point or end angles. Okay, now creating 5 points, 3, 4, 5. So here we go, the ellipse is created. This hatch command. For hatch command, we need to create a circle. Now select circle and specify the points. Okay, draw a circle. For understanding the hatch, okay, select or put H from the keyboard. H is the shortcut key for hatch. Okay, capital H. Press enter for applying hatch. Now select circle inside any point. Okay, here types of hatch is available. Okay, solid, angle or NC 31, 32. You can select a hatch as per your drawing requirements. For better understanding, here I am selecting a simple brick type hatch. Okay, see here lots of hatches available. Now brick type is selected. Now select OK. Here we go. Here I am giving you from today's topic the shortcut keys of line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, polygon, ellipse and hatch. You can use these shortcut keys for your drawing purpose. Okay, I hope you are now understand the basic idea on draw tool palette from ribbon or shortcut keys. Okay, so if you like our videos, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Design YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in CAD softwares. Okay, this is part 1. I am uploading part 2 in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.